Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to fix reduced transparency not working on Mac. If the reduced transparency feature isn't working on your Mac, you are not alone. This accessibility setting is designed to make your system easier on the eyes by minimizing translucent effects in menus, the dock, and windows. However, sometimes it may fail to apply or revert unexpectedly due to system glitches, user account issues, or even outdated macOS settings. In this guide, I'll show you how to get rid of this annoying problem and restore the full functionality of this noted accessibility feature. That's it, let's get started. So first you have to launch the System Settings app on your Mac. And then you have to choose the Appearance option located in the left sidebar. Then you have to head over to the Liquid Glass section and choose the Tinted option. After that, you have to head over to the Accessibility setting, and then you have to choose the Display option. After that, you have to enable the toggle for Reduce Transparency, and then you have to restart your Mac. And once your Mac has rebooted, Reduce Transparency should be live and kicking. Hopefully these tips have addressed the issue and restored the full functionality to reduce transparency. However, if the issue still persists, I will recommend you to update the software on your Mac because I suspect that a software bug is causing the problem. To do so, launch the System Settings app on your Mac, and then you have to choose the General option. After that, you have to select the Software Update option, and then you have to proceed to download and install the latest version of macOS on your Mac. And that's about it. So that's how you can easily fix reduced transparency not working on Mac. Hopefully you have managed to get a better at this annoying problem. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy macOS tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.